All right, we've got the Anzor Neti-Pot Nasal Wash. So I'm going to show you how to use this in just a second. I'm going to take it out of the box. But what I want to say is anytime I'm feeling under the weather, this works miracles. So with that said, let's open the box. So the first thing we have here at the top is going to be our, I'll just take it out of the bag too. It's the tips that you're going to connect to the bottle. So this is the tip for children. This is for me and for adults. So I'm going to put that aside here. From here, we've got the 60 salt packets. So here's what one of them looks like, and I'll show you how to use that in just a second. But there's that. You got 60 of them. Yeah, I'll take out the instruction manual right here, set that aside. Before I show you that, let's do this. This is the temperature gauge, the thermometer that takes the temperature of the water. You want it to be about body temperature. So there's that. And then we got the magical device. This is the bottle. So we're going to connect this to here. Actually, I'll just do it right now. Connect it like so. But let's use this. All right, we're here. The first thing we want to do, we want to unscrew this, take it off. Got that. Then we're going to want to come over here, and we're going to want to take one of these salt packets, and we're going to open it. And from there, we will dump the salt in there. The salt, that's good, it's in there. And from here, we're going to want to fill it up with water. But before we do that, we're going to want to take this thermometer and we're going to run it under the water, because we want these three middle things, they say okay on it. That's the good temperature. If you hit right here, it says no. Right here, it'll say no. If you hit that, it means you need to either raise it or lower it. So we want to get right in the middle. So we're going to come over here. We're going to run this underwater. If you want to come up here a little bit. All right, you can see it better here, but it says no at the low. That means we want to raise the temperature of the water. So, all right, so here, as you can see it better in person, but it says okay right here in the middle one. That means we're good to go. It's a good temperature. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to take this, we're going to fill this up to the 300 milliliter mark, which is up there. So go straight here, filling it up. And there we go. We're good to go there. So then from here, I'll take this, screw this on. I don't think you really need to shake it up at all. Just sort of stir it around a little bit. And then you got this button right here. You see this button, and that when you press it, it releases the water into your nose. So I'm going to do it now. I come up here like this. So there you go there. It comes out the other nostril. And then basically, when you can do that, I'll usually blow my nose and I'm done with it. But you could do it like I'll maybe do one nostril, then I'll do the other nostril. I'll just go back and forth maybe a few times. You could do it, 2, 5 times. You could do it till the bottle's empty. And it does miracles. So straight up, I highly recommend this.